पॉन्स फेमिना में मिस इंडिया 2013 विद मी सुप्रीत। मैं मिस इंडिया आया है आपको इंडिया की सबसे अट्रैक्टिव, एम्बिशियस और स्मार्ट लड़कियों से मिलाने। हम फॉलो करेंगे इनकी जर्नी, इनके हाइज और लोज, एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे इनकी खुशी और गम, इनका एक्साइटमेंट और इनका टेंशन। हम आपको ले जाएंगे बिहाइंड द सीन्स ऑफ इंडियाज मोस्ट कवेटेड ब्यूटी पैजेंट, पॉन्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया 2013। इंडिया का सबसे प्रेस्टिजियस और वेल नोन पैजेंट मिस इंडिया अपने 50 साल सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है। 50 गोल्डन इयर्स इंडीड। जीनत अमान से लेकर जूही चावला तक, ऐश्वर्या राय से लेकर सुष्मिता सेन तक और प्रियंका चोपड़ा से लेकर लारा दत्ता तक। इस पैजेंट ने इंडिया को काफी फेमस एक्टर्स, फैशन आइकॉन्स और सेलिब्रिटीज दिए हैं। ये पैजेंट सेलिब्रेट करता है द परफेक्ट इंडियन वुमन, एक ऐसी वुमन जिसमें हो वो परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी विद ब्रेन्स। आइए देखते हैं इन 50 सालों की ये गोल्डन जर्नी।
I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story.
It feels good that even, after 50 years, people still remember that I was the first Miss India. And it was a wonderful experience for me.
Excitement भरा मेरा आज है, सर पे खुशियों का ताज है।
Miss India crown depicts a sense of victory not for just you, but I think it depicts a victory for all the dreams and aspirations every little girl had, and makes you feel like a princess. Nothing else could ever make you feel the same.
I reach for the stars, I die for the pearls. Nothing is impossible for us girls.
As I walked down the ramp and the lights hit me and the camera started clicking, that I said, oh my God, I am a Miss India now.
I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story.
I don't have any memory of my life before winning the Miss India crown.
परी हूँ मैं, फिजा हूँ, घटा हूँ मैं, अदा हूँ, जहाँ नजर जाए।
In 50 years, 150 women out of the whole country of 1.25 billion have actually got the chance to wear the crown.
Poet's thought or a painter's muse, color the world with many hues. Whenever I want, I turn on my charm. और नज़ाकत भी थोड़ी थोड़ी।
I think every girl in this country dreams of wearing that tiara someday.
इस स्पेशल ईयर को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए पॉन्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया 2013 गया इंडिया के हर एक कोने में। हमने अपने फाइनलिस्ट 13 शहरों के ऑडिशंस में से चुने। इन 23 फाइनलिस्ट में से एक स्पेशल लड़की बनेगी पॉन्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया। And right now we're at 18 The Lounge at the Westin Mumbai Garden City, जो है हमारे ऑफिशियल हॉस्पिटैलिटी पार्टनर। So let's welcome the contestants और मिलते हैं इन स्पेशल गर्ल्स से।
First entered the Westin Hotel. पहले तो थोड़ा नर्वस थे हम कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, क्योंकि एक महीना रहना है दूसरे कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ। बट जैसे ही वहाँ पे हमने एंटर किया, इट वाज अमेजिंग।
पूरा स्टाफ खड़ा था वहाँ पर वेस्टिन का।
Hi, welcome to the Westin.
Thank you.
This is going to be a new home away from home for the next 4 weeks or so.
the first reaction when I entered the Westin Hotel, it was like, oh God, this is so beautiful.
जब हमें वेलकम किया गया एज फेमिना मिस इंडिया फाइनलिस्ट, वो सबसे अच्छी फीलिंग थी।
I was feeling like a princess.
एक मिस इंडिया फाइनलिस्ट होना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है एंड इट डजंट रियली सिंक इन। सो व्हेन आई फर्स्ट एंटर्ड वेस्टर्न होटल, all the girls were sitting like that. I just looked at them and we all had the same smile, like wide, like wow, finally it's happening. So it felt great. Hello, Namaskaram. I am Shobita Dhulipala. I hail from the beautiful city of Destiny, Visakhapatnam. I am 20 years old. I'm a celebration of womanhood as I see it, and I'm a very confident and optimistic person. I believe that I represent the spirit of the phoenix. I'm a trained classical dancer in Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. I also enjoy writing poetry. And I love learning about cultures, people, arts, ideas. They fascinate me. I'm warm like the earth. I'm free-flowing like the air. I'm deep like the waters. And I'm passionate like fire. So I'm a little bit of everything, I guess. The Miss India crown, in one word, means to me hope. Hope that if you follow your dreams, if you believe in yourself, and you put your efforts, nothing is impossible.
Wow, this is so amazing. It's so beautiful.
The moment I entered the room, I just loved it. It's beautiful. I love the view from the room.
Wow, look at the view.
Oh my God. And we're going to stay here for
1 month.
Let's take the bathroom. The big bathtub.
I'm going to sleep here in the night.
Really?
Yes.
Amazing bathroom they have.
Oh my, jacuzzi, fancy.
Hello everyone, I'm Swati Kane. I'm 24 from Delhi. I'm an Aquarius. Since I'm a yoga trainer, so I experiment with a lot of yogic postures. I've never worked as a model before. Pons Femina Miss India is my first modeling assignment. That would describe me the most would be fire, because whatever I do with complete passion, and passion signifies fire. Femina Miss India crown means a lot to me, because that would be like a permanent tag of beauty on my life, so that I can show it to my kids and my kids can show it to their kids.
और अब वक्त आ गया है to meet the one and only Mark Robinson, Director Operations, Miss India Organization.
I like to project myself as a fashion-forward thinking person. Fashion to me is something I live, something that personifies my own style. I love living the life that is glamorous, it's flamboyant, and it's also very hard work. The girls that we have are like unpolished, uncut diamonds. It's our job to take them, mold them, train them, groom them, polish them. We are here today to do the unveiling shoot for Pons Femina Miss India 2013.
वेलकम बैक टू पॉन्स फेमिना में मिस इंडिया 2013 और अब वक्त आ गया है हमारे फाइनलिस्ट को पूरी दुनिया के सामने अनवेल करने का एंड दैट टू थ्रू एन एक्सक्लूसिव फोटोशूट। इन्हें शूट करेंगे रिनाउंड फैशन फोटोग्राफर अपूर्वा शाह।
I'm Apurva Shah. I'm an official photographer for Pond's Femina Miss India 2013. जब भी मेरे हाथ में कैमरा आता है पूरी अलग एनर्जी देती है। जैसे ही मैं मॉडल को आके देखता हूँ एंड मुझे दिखता है कि मुझे उनको कैसे लाइट करना है, मुझे उनको कैसे और पर्सोनिफाई करना है और ब्यूटीफुल बताना है, उनके आँख में कैसे स्पार्क ला सकूँ, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Awake whole night and I was so excited for today's photo shoot because it's the first professional photo shoot that's going to be shot.
We got up at 3:30 in the morning and then we had our makeup session.
Right now I'm pretty much excited for the shoot because it is the day. इतनी खुशी जाहिर नहीं कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि it is the unveiling of Miss India 2013. नमस्ते। नवाबों के शहर लखनऊ से जहाँ का तीखा खाना और मीठी बातें मशहूर हैं, मैं हूँ ज़ोया अफरोज़। I am 19 years old and my sun sign is Capricorn. I love swimming and dancing. I was always passionate about acting and modeling. एक element जो मुझे अच्छी तरह describe करता है वो है fire. Not just because it's bright, but also because it's bold, powerful and strong, just the way I am. बचपन से ही मैंने मिस इंडिया बनने का ख्वाब देखा है और मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि मैं अपने इस ख्वाब को ज़रूर पूरा कर पाऊंगी।
Good morning, a good day. We are here today to do the unveiling shoot for Pond's Femina Miss India 2013.
I think the whole idea of shooting this shot is to have something which emphasizes Mumbai.
The ceiling. It's a great location because the idea behind doing the shoot over here is we want to mix and match contemporary Bombay, what Bombay stands for today.
We're going to take a beautiful shot with the ceiling.
And I think trying to mix and match our beautiful, gorgeous finalists in pop art color bikinis against the backdrop of the Wally ceiling.
We're going to make a nice composition with the rocks.
Hi, I'm Ananya. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Assam. I'm a Cancerian. I've just finished my master's in marketing management, and before getting into modeling, I wanted to get into the education sector in India. I'm born and brought up in Assam, and I've grown up in the midst of tea gardens and wildlife. It is my dream to actively participate in the conservation of wildlife in India. Water is my element because a running river faces many obstacles in its course but still reaches its destination. A big smile, an honest heart, a sharp mind and a sincere soul, that's me.
It's a tricky shoot, you know, because the rocks out here are really slippery.
And it's going to be a nice, beautiful neon colors with the blue sky.
And I think at the end of the day, we'll be happy we are here because the result will be quite fabulous. Okay, girls, we're going to start shooting now. I need more body language.
Hi, my name is Apurva Lonkar. I'm 22 years old.
I'm from Pune and I'm a born Leo. I'm a very fun-loving person. I really like to hang out with my friends. I play basketball and badminton. I love watching movies. The element that represents me would be water, because water gives life, and that's what I aim to do in my life. The Miss India crown to me means the culmination of my hard work and my dream. The dream that I've cherished since I was a child.
Okay girls, we're gonna start shooting now. I need more body language. Do what you want, get into the shoot. I like what you're doing with your hair. You can put your hands up, you can pose. You smile pleasantly. When I tell you to change it to sexy, you go into a different mold. And we're gonna go. Okay girls, remember when you're shooting, a couple of things important. Your feet, don't keep them flat. Always keep your feet at an angle, break it. Your hands, don't keep them flat. Okay, we're shooting, don't move. Looking good, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what I want to do now, when we are in the training room, some girls are down, some girls standing behind. I want that to happen. Girls, be careful when you're going there, okay? Be very careful.
Actually, what happened there, वहाँ जो पत्थर थे वो काफ़ी ऊपर नीचे थे, तो मैं नीचे की तरफ आ रही थी और सडनली मैं नीचे फिसल गई और फिसल कर और नीचे चली गई. जब पोज करने का टाइम आया, जब क्लिक 1, 2, 3 स्टार्ट, तो मैं भूल गई, मेरे दिमाग से वो बात चली गई कि मैं गिरी और मुझे चोट लगा. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था बट अच्छा लगा. We had lots of fun there.
Last shot. 1, 2, 3.
The unveiling photo shoot was definitely a killer. It was pretty tough because we had to stand, sit, kneel on these rocks. It was very difficult to shoot here, especially on this terrain.
हमने काफ़ी पहले पिक्चर्स देखे हुए हैं बिकिनी शूट्स के, ऐसे फोटो शूट्स के, but I'm sure this will stand out really well because we all were looking really stunning.
On a scale of 1 to 10, if I were to rate my girls, I think my girls are lovely. My girls 10 on 10. But having to rate the shoot this morning for effort, 10 on 10. Outcome, I'm never satisfied, so I'd give it an 8 on 10. India, this is the 50th year of Pond's Femina Miss India 2013, and here we are.
In our next episode, आपसे मिलेंगे हमारे फाइनलिस्ट. शुरू होगी इनकी ग्रूमिंग, जो इन्हें ले जाएगी इनके अल्टीमेट गोल की तरफ. The goal of being crowned Pond's Femina Miss India 2013.